Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. This isn't a paid advertisement. I'm not affiliated with Titebond, and nor has anything been given to me for free. I purchased this wood glue from Amazon in the UK, and I wanted to recommend it. If you're doing some DIY at home where you want to glue some wood together, or you're a professional in the trade, I would recommend this. I've not really done a lot of wood butchering. I've made a few flight cases and things in the past, and I've used a lot of the standard glues that you find here in the UK. I can't think of the brand name of them. They come in a green tall bottle, and they're a PVA based. But I purchased this because I was looking for something different, and I had something in my mind. So a little backstory: I do a lot of work with fireworks and pyrotechnics, and I'm very familiar with this colour of glue that you see in direct Chinese firework manufacturing for pasting shells, boxes, and you get them on around fuses. It's exactly the same composition of glue. And for woodwork, I've been making a radio case, a UHF VHF style man pack case in a Pelly style box. I'm actually using a Max case from Italy, and I'm making a wooden inlay with a top plate where I can affix a radio transceiver, inbound battery, a power supply, and USBs, etc. So I wanted to use this glue to glue some uprights inside the case, and then to make a lid that goes on top. I'm using some 9mm hex plywood, high quality flight case plywood that I purchased. But this glue, after some searching, does what it says. It's got a very high grip strength. There are various versions that they do, interior, exterior, different setting up times. This one, as listed, should joint together tightly within 30 minutes, and there are 24 hours for a cure time. It's a lovely textured glue. It's a lot thicker than your standard white PVA that you find in the UK. This is an American product made in Columbus, Ohio. But I just wanted to recommend it if you're doing some woodwork at home, flight cases, making some furniture, and you wanted a good glue that's going to hold up and give you the finish that you need to secure timber, then Titebond original wood glue. Like I've said at the beginning, I paid for this out of my own money from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of the video if it's something you would like to try. But I would recommend this, and I don't do a lot of product recommendations because they're meaningless. But for DIY, which is quite a common interest and skill set that people have, I thought I'd give this glue a plug because it was worth it. But Titebond original wood glue, the industry standard, it does what it says on the bottle. Get some today. Thanks for watching AW Services. If you like the video, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Press the bell icon for notifications. Give it a like, leave a comment. Thank you.